So now you must be surprised like why I opened my slippers. So today I have one more solution to a problem. The problem is like when we use such kind of slippers, so definitely the grip in the slippers are lost. So you see this slipper, the grip is lost. This one is also lost. So now these are flats. So as soon as such slipper become flat, so there is a chance that they will slip or skid, and definitely there is a chance that you will fall down. So that is very dangerous because definitely you will get some injury. It might turn out to be fatal. It might hit your brain, head, might break your arms, etc. So that is dangerous. Now the question is, this slipper is intact, nothing has happened, everything is perfect, only the grip is gone. So now definitely it is not wise to throw them off as well, because definitely you know that when you buy a slippers almost around after 3 to 4 months the grips are gone, and still we use it, and that is very risky. So to solve this, I will now create an instrument using which you can directly create grips of any kind of a shoe or a slipper very easily. So let's see how to do. So what do we need? First is like galvanized iron wire. So these are normal GI wires that you can get easily from any kind of a hardware shop. So this is one of them. 2 pliers. So this is a normal plier and this is a nose plier. This is has a pointed head. So 2 set of pliers, that's it. Nose plier is not a mandate, but like 2 set of pliers you need. Next you need is like a wire cutter. So this is a wire cutter, so using which you can directly cut out the wires.